Gold against US dollar this week, we can see that, has started the week here with this bullish candle. It has risen in value, and we can see the price has formed a strong bullish candle on a Monday, forming a bullish breakout above 2878.61, the resistance level. The price then returned back down, confirming the previous resistance, acting now as a support, and the price continued to rise in value, reaching very close to this area of resistance at 2949.95. Then the price returned back down, forming this bullish pin bar, which was also a signal that the price could continue to rise in value. The price has done just that. These informations and also bullish on the bearish breakouts on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame that has been triggered here has been shared inside the premium analysis. Feel free to check the link below and you will see the statistics for this week and also the weeks before, how these breakouts has been doing. And after that, we can see on a Friday the price forming a strong bearish engulfing candle. We can see that going back inside this uptrend channel. So we can see the price is currently at 2878.61, a support level. A week has closed as a bullish candle. We can see it with a larger wick on the upside. It is still bullish candle, bullish body. The monthly time frame shows us currently it is a bullish month where the price is still trying to move higher, and it has reached already all-time high price level 2940.74. How the price will behave in the next 2 weeks? Well, currently we are still in the bullish mode. This was the bullish breakout here, which means probably the price will continue to rise and confirm this bullish breakout as a valid one. But 2787.96 is very important support level for the monthly time frame in the next 2 weeks. Let's see what happens on the lower time frame. Currently, weekly time frame shows me a bullish breakout about 2857.20, which means it needs to be confirmed next week, which means the price should not return back down. If it returns back down, the next support level is around area here, around 2815 and also 2800. Daily time frame shows me that the price is currently at the support level, which means I need to see how the price opens on a Monday, because I need to see will the price manage to make a bearish break going further down, or it will bounce back up. Especially we can see that in the previous 2 weeks the price always opens with a gap. Will that happen again? Well, we will see. Will that be? Because we can see when the price opens with a gap, this one was here, the price tends always to return back and also to close the gap. So pay attention after the week has closed, or the weekend closes, and especially on the Monday, how the price will behave. Also remember that there on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, which I am also covering inside the premium analysis, there is some kind of a small support and the resistance levels that will prevent the price from reaching higher or lower price levels. If the price manages to make a breakout on those levels, this usually is a trigger for the daily time frame where the price will go, and also we can target in the longer term the targets. So for example, if I can see the bearish breakout going below this area of support on the 4-hour time frame, this is usually a trigger where the price will continue to move in the direction for the rest of the day, so that you can see also where the daily candle could close. Feel free to check the link below in the description for the premium analysis, and also you can check the statistics on that link for the breakouts for the previous week and also the weeks before. If you would like to join, feel free to join. We are happy to see you inside. One thing more to note is that in the next 2 weeks there will be a giveaway winner who will win $300, $200 and $100, which means 3 traders will win one of the accounts. Feel free to check the link below in the description. With my broker, I am giving 3 trading accounts, so feel free to join. Everything is free, so feel free to check it. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.